ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। So, welcome, dear devotees. We are reading Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 1, chapter number 17. The title is Punishment and Reward of Kali. Our today's discussion starts from text number 41. अथैतानेन सेवेत बुभुषः पुरुषः कचित् विशेषतो धर्मशीलो राजा लोकपतिर्गुरुः. Translation by Srila Prabhupada. Therefore, whoever desires progressive well-being, especially kings, religionists, public leaders, brahmanas, and sannyasis, should never come in contact with the four above mentioned irreligious principles. So we see here that how when Kali surrendered, Parikshit Maharaj gave 4 places to live to Kali. And on top of that, he asked for something more because those things were not happening in the kingdom of Parikshit Maharaj. So he gives the place to live as Anna gold. We see how we 5 चीजें दिया. And here it is said, whoever desires progressive well-being, जो अपना भला चाहते हैं, जो अपना अच्छा चाहते हैं, those people, and especially kings, religionists, leaders, brahmanas, and should not come in contact with, उससे दूर रहना चाहिए. No meat eating, illicit relationships, gambling, intoxication, and gold means hoarding of wealth, over accumulation of wealth. So all these things a person should stay away if a person desires well-being of them. We have to understand यहाँ पे gold, what does the gold mean? Not only gold is just it. We have to understand it's not only the gold, it's that mentality of hoarding, over accumulation of wealth. I went to a marriage wedding in India. Before wedding, they do a ring ceremony where they exchange the golding. Husband, वो boy girl को पहनाता है, girl boy को. They exchange ring ceremony, and that ring are made of gold. And अभी हम कलयुग, ये परीक्षित महाराज कलयुग, this past time we are going through, and Kali is residing on gold. और कली का मतलब क्या? Cheating, quarrel, misunderstanding. What I was looking, लड़की उसको रिंग गोल्ड पहना रही है, लड़का उसको पहना रहा है. मतलब I will cheat you, you cheat me. I will quarrel with you, you quarrel with me. I will misunderstand you, you misunderstand me. Is that exchange of gold mean? We have to understand proper, what Prabhupada is saying, how Parikshit Maharaj is uh, giving the place to Kali to reside in gold. The over accumulation, the hoarding of gold, hoarding of wealth, that has to be checked. उसका मतलब ये है कि जो over excessive accumulate करता है, that tendency, because what will happen, the tendency to accumulate more and more wealth, in terms of gold, what will happen, a person will become less compassionate to others क्योंकि उसको खुद चाहिए. And why people want more? Because a person will have more wealth, a person will have more gold, then it can help to do more sense gratification. And that is why people work hard. People try to gamble also, because to get more gold, that means to have more wealth, people they do go for gambling because quick. राधानाथ महाराज बोलते थे कि इवन लास वेगास, पद्मा माता जी, गैम्बलिंग हब ऑफ द होल वर्ल्ड. Radhanath Maharaj was mentioning, when people go there in Las Vegas or gambling places, first 30 seconds 1 minute में वो लोगों का पूरा टेक्निक होता है, उनको जिताएंगे. They will help them to win little bit of wealth. And when the person gets, अरे इतनी आसानी से 1-2 मिनट में ही इतना पैसा हो गया, they will try, it becomes okay, और भी खेलते हैं, और भी खेलते हैं. And then in next 6 minutes पूरी जिंदगी में कमाया नहीं होगा उतना हार जाते हैं. And this is the addiction, this is the tendency. People go little bit winning and then सब कुछ loss हो जाता है. And because people want quick money so that they have more wealth, more gold, and more sense gratification. And to deal with that, ups and downs, एकदम से सब खत्म हो गया, थोड़ा जीतते हैं, फिर सब खाली हो जाता है. Maharaj was mentioning they don't even have taxi fare to go back to their home. इतना तक हार जाते हैं. people, everyone will say, न्यूज में भी आता है, 1 person won $21 million in the Powerball lotto, this that, एक को मिला है, लेकिन 10 million लोग को जो खो चुके हैं उसका कोई बात नहीं करेगा, एक को मिलेगा. एंड गवर्नमेंट इज सपोर्टिंग ऑल दिस थिंग्स, क्या करेंगे. सो टू टॉलरेट विद दिस अप्स एंड डाउन्स ऑफ द वेल्थ, जो जीतता है हारता है, इतना कुछ लॉस हो गया, उससे डील करने के लिए पीपल व्हाट व्हाट दे डू, दे स्टार्ट ड्रिंकिंग, टेकिंग इंटॉक्सिकेशन, थोड़ा ड्रिंक कर लेते हैं, सब भूल जाएंगे. बिकॉज व्हेन दे ड्रिंक व्हाट हैपेंस, द ब्रेन गेट्स नम, उसको पता ही नहीं चलता क्या हो रहा है ना. एंड ड्रिंकिंग्स और द सब्सटेंसेस दे टेक, सेम थिंग, हाई एंड लो, अप एंड डाउन इन द लाइफ, सो मच ऑफ हैपनिंग टू फॉरगेट दैट दे ड्रिंक, and they take substances, and because of that, the brain gets numb. And even tea or coffee, people to increase the productivity, they drink a coffee. When they take this drinking habit, or when they have this intoxication habit, and the brain gets numb, the brain is able to tolerate, then people lose the sense of what is wrong and what is right. क्या करना चाहिए, क्या नहीं करना चाहिए, क्या सही है, क्या गलत है, किससे हमें डरना चाहिए, ये चीज ठीक नहीं है. All these things, the brain is in normal situation is intelligent to think, but that intelligence is lost because they have taken this drinking habit. ब्रेन नम हो गया है, दैट इंटेलिजेंस इज लॉस्ट, एंड द डिसीजन इज, वो अच्छी तरह से इंटेलिजेंटली थिंक करके डिसीजन ले ही नहीं सकते. द डिसीजन इज बेस्ड ऑन सेंस ग्रेटिफिकेशन, बस इंद्रिय तृप्ति के लिए कुछ अच्छा लगा कर दिया, बिकॉज द ब्रेन इज नम. एंड दैट्स व्हाई दे गो फॉर, व्हेन दे कांट डिसाइड properly, and they go for the sense gratification, and that's where all these illicit relationships come, because they only want to work for sense gratification. Meat eating comes because they want to satisfy their tongue. अभी देखो, because the brain is numb, they take intoxication, उसने gambling किया है, over hoarding of the wealth कर रहा है, because of all the effect of this meat eating. Like the thing on the meat, 2 सेकंड के लिए टंग में होता है, अंदर जाने के बाद तो कुछ टेस्ट आता नहीं, बाहर प्लेट में होता है तो भी टेस्ट नहीं आता. फॉर 2 सेकंड्स दे आर एबल टू जस्टिफाई दैट इतने क्रूअल्टी से इतने एनिमल्स को मारना ठीक है, जस्ट फॉर 2 सेकंड्स. अभी आप देखो वो टंग पे कितना रहता है स्वाद, बिफोर भी नहीं, आफ्टर अंदर जाने के बाद भी नहीं, बट बिकॉज दे आर नॉट एबल टू थिंक. सो अभी देखो हाउ द gold means over accumulation of wealth, that will lead to sense gratification, that leads to gambling, that leads to drinking intoxication, that leads to intelligence is lost, then people will do illicit relations. So that's why Prabhupada writes all these things, that over accumulation of wealth is not required in olden days, or there is proper utilization of gold is also there. आप हम देखते हैं कि किंग के पास गोल्डन हेलमेट होता था, क्वींस के पास गोल्डन नेकलेस होता था, एंड युधिष्ठिर महाराज had a treasure of gold, पूरा भरा भंडार भरा हुआ था. They used to feed brahmanas in the plate of gold. So all these things we see in the shastras, but that is proper utilization of gold. Here it is what mentioned is for sense gratification, people who are hoarding, accumulate करते रहते हैं, that is what it is. And because of that, what will happen if someone is having that mentality of hoarding, it will lead to the sinful activity, and दूसरों पे compassionate nature भी नहीं रहा, and that's why all these things has to be checked. And all these things, gambling, intoxication, meat eating, illicit relationships, they are addictive as well. थोड़ा बहुत कर दिया, and then people get dragged into it. We have hundreds and hundreds of, or not hundreds, thousands of examples where people's lives have been ruined because of this. मानते हो कि नहीं आप लोग, four things are bad, ये शास्त्रों में लिखा है. ऐसा है कि सिर्फ भक्तों के लिए अच्छा है कि इवन नॉर्मल पीपल, सिटीजन ऑफ एनी कंट्री, इफ दे अवॉइड दिस 4 थिंग्स, व्हाट डू यू थिंक, इज इट बेनिफिशियल? इफ फॉरगेट अबाउट स्पिरिचुअलिटी, गोलोक धाम जाएंगे, कृष्णा के धाम में जाएंगे, वो तो एक अलग है, बट इवन लिविंग हियर इन दिस वर्ल्ड, इफ पर्सन अवॉइड्स, हाउ मच बैड इट इज. Normally what happens, people want these things, they freak out. अगर ये लॉकडाउन में बंद हो गया था, सब people protest and they wanted to go to the bars and drink, and they wanted to go to the restaurants. And sometimes, if a government puts a law about this prostitution or no drinking, people protest as if वो हमारा हक है करने का. Government क्यों वैसा बंद कर रहे हो? This is our right to do this. How can this happen? All these things are happening in because of this Kali Yuga. And Nirvan Prabhu, text number 42. Today we have to complete this chapter.
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी धन्यवाद प्रणाम। हरे कृष्णा धन्यवाद प्रणाम। प्रभुपाद की जय। वृषस्य नष्टां स्त्रीन् पादान् तपः शौचं दयामिति प्रतिसन्ददा आश्वास्य महीं च समवर्धयत्।
Translation by A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada ki jai. Thereafter, the king re-established the lost legs of the personality of religion, the bull, and by encouraging activities, he sufficiently improved the condition of the earth. Thank you, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna devotees.
So here Parikshit Maharaj re-established the lost legs of the personality. मतलब धर्म का फिर से स्थापना किया, because bull is dharma, and he was encouraging all the activities that sufficiently improved the condition of the earth. Mother Earth was also there. He encouraged all the activities which can sufficiently improve the condition. Prabhupada writes in this purport that proper utilization of gold by king can help to re-establish dharma. पर परीक्षित महाराज cheated Kali. उसको 4 स्थान दिया. वो 4 तो there was no place in his kingdom. Then he gave gold, one more place to leave him, the 5th place. And Parikshit Maharaj took the proper steps. See here he says, Parikshit Maharaj took the proper steps to re-establish the legs of bull. क्या थे legs? Austerity, cleanliness, and mercy. Truthfulness, the one leg was already there. What that was also wobbling, but the other 3, Parikshit Maharaj took the steps. कैसे किया? How? What did Parikshit Maharaj did? All the accumulated wealth, gold जो भी था उनके राज्य में, he used everything for the propagation of Sankirtan Yajna. Prabhupada writes in the purport, Maharaj Parikshit used all the accumulated gold available in the kingdom for propagation of the Sankirtan Yajna. Second paragraph की first line है. He used everything in the service of the Lord, and that's how it is said that Parikshit Maharaj cheated Kali. उसको स्थान तो दिया, but that is gold means over accumulated of wealth. Parikshit Maharaj ने kingdom में जो भी था वो सब भगवान संकीर्तन यज्ञ का प्रचार करने में लगा दिया. Again, in this purport, Prabhupada mentions, पूरा डिटेल में बताते हैं, the economical formula that from one's accumulated wealth, किसी का भी devotee का once accumulated wealth, 50% of that can be should be used in the service of the Lord. 25% of them for the family members, and 25% of the accumulated wealth for personal necessities. Prabhupada writes here. And वो बोलते हैं, if everyone sacrifices 50% of the accumulated wealth for the Lord, if everyone uses this formula to use 50% of accumulated wealth for the service of the Lord, all legs of dharma will be established and Kali will have no chance. कली का कोई चांस ही नहीं है ये युगा में. प्रभुपाद इज राइटिंग, सब लोग 50% करना है, बाकी 25% फैमिली मेंबर के लिए, 25% खुद के लिए भी रखना है, और उसको सेवा में लगा दिया, देन इट विल हैव नो चांस. वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस wealth, the principle that we need to work, we need to maintain family, we have to take care of our necessities, but here gold means over the excessive amount of जो लोग प्रयत्न करते हैं, we want more money, more wealth, more gold, excessive, that aggressive nature is there, that is being mentioned here, that means gold, and that means Kali Yuga. Basic necessities, जैसे king है for example, they used to rule the whole world, that is basic necessity for the king. बहुत सारे राजा थे, उनके पास treasure था, भंडार था, gold coins थे. That is whatever is necessity, that is allowed, but whatever is over excessive, and when we can understand it is over excessive, हमें ऐसे कब पता चलता है कि ये एक्सेसिव है और ये जरूरत है वाला है, that is the test is given. If a person is able to maintain the spirituality, अपना जो भी भक्ति के पाथ पे जो भी लेवल पे, some person is doing 16 rounds, some person is doing more, कोई रोज भागवतम पढ़ता है, कोई मंदिर में रोज सेवा करता है, some person helping with bhakti vriksha. If a person is able to maintain whatever भक्ति path they are doing, उसके साथ में रख के वो जो भी कर सकता है, that is all fine. But at the cost of spirituality, आज ओवरवर्क कर लेते, आज ज्यादा काम कर लेते, आज माला छूट जाएगी, आज भागवतम नहीं पढ़ पाएंगे, भक्तों का संग नहीं कर पाएंगे, ये वीक तो बहुत काम रहेगा, then that is called over excessive work. That is called basic necessities are required, of course we have to do that, but not at the cost of spirituality. अपना भक्ति के पाथ में, because we have to understand the human form of life to progress in bhakti. उसको ही then it's called, भागवतम में क्या बताया, श्रम एव ही केवलम. भक्ति को ही साइड में छोड़ के लोग पैसों के पीछे भागते हैं, then श्रम एव ही केवलम. उसका फायदा क्या, धर्म तो बचा ही नहीं. And that's why basic necessities to maintain family, whatever is required, Prabhupada also allows in this purpose. वो सब करना है, but not at the cost of spirituality. Very important, we have to understand. होता है ना कई बार जॉब में लोग इतना, आज बहुत थक गए, बहुत काम था, आज चैंटिंग नहीं हो पाया. फॉर व्हाट? चैंटिंग ही नहीं हो पाया तो फिर इतना काम, इससे अच्छा तो स्लोली 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 प्रे और मोल्ड आवर लाइफ इन सच अ वे. इफ वी आर नॉट एबल टू मोल्ड, वी कैन प्रे टू कृष्णा इन सच अ वे. गिव इट मी दैट काइंड ऑफ वर्क. आई हैव टू वर्क, आई हैव किड्स, फैमिली, पेरेंट्स टू मेंटेन, बट गिव मी वर्क इन सच अ वे so that I can continue doing your seva, I can continue progressing bhakti. Please Krishna, if we are able to mold, it's good. If we can't, we can pray to Krishna. Radhika Mataji, 43 and 44. 45 है इसमें, so we'll finish this chapter today.
Hare Krishna everyone. स एषा इतर्ह्याध्यास्ता आसनं पार्थिवोचितं पितामहेनोपन्सन्यं यस्तं रज्ञरन्यं विवेक्षता आस्ते धूना स राजर्षि कौरवेन्द्र श्रियोलसन् गजाहवे महाभागस् चक्रवर्ती बृहच्छ्रवः. The most fortunate emperor Maharaj Parikshit, who was entrusted with the kingdom of Hastinapur by Maharaj Yudhishthira, when he desired to retire to the forest, is now ruling the world with great success due to his being glorified by the deeds of the kings of the Kuru dynasty. Hare Krishna.
Thank you. Who can say कि ये कौन बोल रहा है? Who is speaking this verse?
सूता गोस्वामी बोल रहा है प्रभु जी. बट व्हाई इज इट इन प्रेजेंट टेंस प्रभु? जैसे अभी कर रहे हैं.
प्रभुपाद सबके हृदय का क्वेश्चन जानते हैं और परपद में सबका आंसर भी दे देते हैं. बिफोर इवन वी थिंक ऑफ क्वेश्चन, प्रभुपाद राइट्स द आंसर. परपद पढ़ेंगे तो होल परपद इज डेडिकेटेड दैट व्हाई इट इज यूज्ड एज प्रेजेंट टेंस. देखो क्या बोल रहे हैं सूता गोस्वामी. किसको बोल रहे हैं सूता गोस्वामी? हु इज ही स्पीकिंग टू?
प्रभु शौनक आदि ऋषियों को.
हाँ, sages of Naimisharanya, Sonaka and all the rishis who have assembled. Suta Goswami क्या बोल रहे हैं? Parikshit Maharaj is now ruling the world with great success due to him being glorified the digs of the king of the Kuru dynasty. He's saying now he is ruling. Prabhupada writes, it is used as the present tense because दो चीजें प्रभुपाद बताते हैं. The first thing, this yagya where the Suta Goswami and the sages of Naimisharanya, they assembled to do the yagya, 1,000-year-old sacrifice, that happened just after Parikshit Maharaj left the planet. Just after it says demise of Parikshit, this yagya started. तो मतलब अभी का अभी था. After this, Parikshit Maharaj left and this yagya has started. And the second reason, what Prabhupada mentions in the purport, that present tense is also used because it is a continuous fact. Continuous fact कैसे? Because whatever principles Parikshit Maharaj has established, that can be followed today also. आज की तारीख में अभी भी वही situation है, that same principles Parikshit Maharaj established. How? if these administrators become very strict, जैसे परीक्षित Maharaj, he was very strict and making sure no other things can prevail in nonsense things can go in this kingdom. In the same way, the administrators of the today's world, if they become also very strict and they make sure there is no place for gambling, drinking, prostitution, or animal slaughter, the same dharma can be established today and the world can be peaceful. So, two reasons in the purport Prabhupada mentions that why it is said in the present tense the king is ruling now. Because at that time when this was happening, it was just after the Parikshit Maharaj left. Prabhupada also explains in the another paragraph in the purport that on one side, leaders of the society, they want peaceful and happy state. उनको शांति चाहिए, उनको happy चाहिए, उनको the leaders are working on that. On the other side, these four things are going on. These four things are going on. The influence of Kali Yuga, and that is bringing the quarrel and misunderstanding and cheating and everything in the society. Not only this, administrators are letting these four things, the, gambling, intoxication, prostitution, animal slaughter, not only they are letting it, they are not doing any action. They themselves, most of them, they are actively involved in that. They support it, they give licenses to this. On top of that, they promote it as well. There are so many government funded programs which supports all these things. तो प्रभुपाद बोलता है कि इट्स कंप्लीटली कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी. एक तरफ उनको शांति चाहिए, एक तरफ उनको पीसफुलनेस चाहिए सोसाइटी में, और एक तरफ दिस इज ऑल दे आर प्रमोटिंग. तो कलियुगा का काम ही यही है, ड्रिंकिंग, प्रोस्टिट्यूशन, अल्कोहल, इंटॉक्सिकेशन, गैम्बलिंग और एनिमल स्लॉटर. जहां पे ये चलेगा वहां पे कलियुगा रहेगा, वहां पे कलियुगा रहेगा तो कॉरल रहेगा. So it's completely contradicting two things. On the one side they are allowing, on the other side they want peaceful and happy. It's possible in a, that is, it's not possible. If the leaders want, this must be established. Dharma rahega, Kali Yuga wahan pe nahi rahega, and then only peacefulness and happiness can come. Last line of the purport, Prabhupada writes, these are the practical lessons from the pages of Srimad Bhagavatam. ऐसा नहीं है कि श्रीमद् भागवतम is just fairy tales or mythology or kahaniyan hai. These are the practical lessons which can be applied in this society, so that the peacefulness and happiness of the society can be established. Last one for today, Puja Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Itham bhutanubhavoyam abhimanyu suto nripaha yasya palayatah shnaunim yuyam satraya dikshitaha. Translation. Maharaj Parikshit, the son of Abhimanyu, is so experienced that by dint of his expert administration and patronage, it has been possible for you to perform a sacrifice such as this. Hare Krishna.
Sutta Goswami is telling to Saunaka Rishi that because of his expert administration, Parikshit Maharaj ka expert administration tha, that's why you are able to perform this sacrifice. Maharaj, king or Brahmanas, Sannyasis, the cooperation is there. Here Prabhupada writes in the purport, Brahmanas and Sannyasis are expert in the spiritual advancement of the society. The Brahman and Sannyasi hai, spiritual advancement of the society. And the Kshatriyas, administrators or the king, they are expert in the material peace and prosperity of the society. This full cooperation between the Kshatriyas, the king, the Brahmanas and the Sannyasis, that cooperation is required when the king provides. ऐसा kingdom आता है जहाँ पे Brahmana, Kshatriya, Brahmana, Sannyasis are protected and the king is doing his duty nicely. What happens? The whole civilization, the whole kingdom, the country or the state, the people become receptive to spiritual enlightenment. That environment is conducive for spiritual enlightenment because with austerity, cleanliness, mercy, truthfulness, they are all the basic principles are followed for the religion, and that gives the ground, that gives the foundation for people to work or to get spiritual advancement. And Maharaj Parikshit made this whole favorable सिचुएशन पॉसिबल, द फेवरेबल कंडीशन। कई बार लोग बोलते हैं कि नो मीट ईटिंग, नो, जो 4 नियम जो हमारे होते हैं दे आर टू मच, बट यहाँ पे हम देखते हैं कि दिस इज जस्ट ए फाउंडेशन ऑफ स्पिरिचुअलिटी, वो तो बेसिक है। वो जो 4 फॉलो करते हैं उससे तो लोग इंसान बनते हैं, और देन दे कैन स्टार्ट चैंटिंग एंड देन दे विल एक्चुअली स्टार्ट द स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी, भक्ति के पाथ पे आगे बढ़ते हैं। दैट्स व्हाई इनिशिएशन के टाइम पे क्या होता है, गुरु के सामने इनिशिएशन वी टेक दिस 4 रेगुलेटिव प्रिंसिपल्स, ये वाव लेते हैं, तो उसका मतलब क्या होता है, वी स्टार्ट ए न्यू बर्थ। इनिशिएट मींस शुरुआत करते हैं हम भक्ति का। Initiation is not the end of our bhakti. Initiation means to start proper official enrollment in the bhakti university, we say, and then we start with this 4 regulative principles, and that's why Maharaj lets us speak. हो गया ना 45 okay. Thus ends the Bhaktivedanta purports of the first canto 17th chapter of Srimad Bhagavatam, entitled Punishment and Reward of Kali. So we see in the 17th chapter very beautiful story of Parikshit Maharaj and reward and punishment of Kali. कल में क्या हुआ, I will take 2 minutes, dear devotees. I met one ashram resident, ब्रह्मचारी आश्रम में एक डिवोटी रहता है. I had some service together, so हम गाड़ी में बैठे थे. The ब्रह्मचारी asks me, प्रभु जी आप कैसे मैनेज कर लेते हो आपका काम, बिजनेस, फैमिली, पर्सनल लाइफ, भक्ति वृक्षा, मंदिर की सेवा, हाउ कम यू आर डूइंग, आप इतना कैसे कर सकते हो, कैसे मैनेज कर लेते हो? That was his question. एंड आई सेड, प्रभु अपना तो हो ही जाता है, कैसे भी करके स्ट्रगल तो चलता ही रहता है, कभी इधर, कभी पर्सनल पे, कभी फैमिली पे, कभी बिजनेस में, वी स्ट्रगल बिकॉज वी ट्राई टू कंट्रोल एवरीथिंग, वी ट्राई टू मेंटेन एवरीथिंग. बट आई आस्क्ड ए क्वेश्चन, प्रभु आपका इतना सरेंडर कैसे आता है? Very in a high professional working job, but he left everything and he is residing in Melbourne Brahmachari Ashram. एंड मैं सेड, प्रभु जी इतना विश्वास कैसे आ सकता है कि भगवान सब कुछ प्रोवाइड करेंगे, रक्षा करेंगे, एंड फुल सरेंडर, एंड यू जॉइन द आश्रम सब कुछ छोड़ के. नेक्स्ट वीक अनदर पर्सन इज जॉइनिंग द आश्रम एज वेल. रिमाइंड मी इन भक्ति वृक्षा, आई विल शेयर द स्टोरी. सो आई सेड, प्रभु आपका कैसे हो सकता है? हमारा तो इसलिए इतना स्ट्रगल चल रहा है, इतना मैनेज करना पड़ता है, बिजनेस, फैमिली, वर्क, दिस एंड दैट, बिकॉज वी डोंट हैव दैट मच सरेंडर टू लॉर्ड. और क्या पता प्रीवियस एक्शंस है तो अभी चल रहा है ऐसा लाइफ. बट आई सेड, प्रभु जी हाउ कम यू हैव? एंड देन आई रियलाइज दिस भागवतम कैन ओनली गिव दिस surrender to Lord. When we hear this, Parikshit Maharaj एनिमी कली को भी सरेंडर देके प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं, तो भगवान, दिस इज माय हाईलाइट ऑफ दिस चैप्टर, ऑफ द होल 17 चैप्टर 45 वर्सेस. वन टेक अवे पॉइंट फॉर मी इज परीक्षित महाराज कली को भी प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं, तो भगवान कृष्णा वो डिवोटीज को क्यों प्रोटेक्ट नहीं कर सकते? ही विल श्योरली प्रोटेक्ट. ऑल वी हैव टू learn is to understand that भगवान प्रोटेक्ट करेंगे. ये सारे पास टाइम से our conviction should go stronger and stronger. पूजा माता जी और शिवा प्रभु, how many minutes left?
Less than a minute.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, any questions or anything we can do Monday, or you can write in the group and we can discuss Monday. All right.
Prabhuji, what was the answer
Thank
from
you so
Prabhuji?
much. हाँ जी,
What was the answer from Prabhuji?
आंसर है लेकिन टाइम नहीं है, सॉरी. आंसर है इसलिए मंडे बाद में रिमाइंड मी व्हेन आई स्टार्ट ऑन मंडे. बहुत अच्छा स्टोरी, बहुत अच्छा आंसर है लेकिन टाइम नहीं. हाँ. ओके, मंडे विल टॉक. ओके, we will begin with 18th chapter. ग्रंथराज श्रीमद् भागवतम की जय, जगत गुरु श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय.
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी, हरे कृष्णा डिवोटी.
Hare Krishna, Babaji. Hare Krishna, everyone.
Hare Krishna.